Good morning, student. I am your computer teacher, Mrs. Padma Kesri. Today I will teach you lesson 4 more on keyboard. So listen carefully. Open page number 21. Dear students, आज मैं आप लोगों को आपके कंप्यूटर का चैप्टर 4 मोर ऑन कीबोर्ड इसको रीड करती हूँ और आप लोग इसे केयरफुली लिसन करिए और बाद में आप इसे रीड भी करिएगा। अ कीबोर्ड इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस। इट अलाउ a person to enter letters, numbers and other symbols into a computer. Entering data through keyboard is called typing. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Let us understand the working of different keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys present on the keyboard. These keys are arranged in special sequence called quality sequence. स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं। नम लॉक की। टू टाइप नंबर्स प्रेस नम लॉक की। द नम लॉक लाइट विल टर्न ऑन। नाउ you can use the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard to type numbers or to do calculation. Special keys. Apart from above keys, there are certain other keys which have some special functions. Let us learn about them. Do you know? A cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. Cursor control keys. There are 4 cursor control keys on the keyboard. They are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. Up arrow key. It is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key. It is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key. It is used to move the cursor left. Right arrow key. It is used to move the cursor right. स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं। These cursor control keys are also called arrow keys. There are 2 sets of arrow keys on the keyboard, one on the cursor pad and other on the numeric keypad. Function keys. The keys from F1 to F12 are called function keys. These are located at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a special function. Space bar key. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give blank space between 2 words or characters. Enter key. Enter key is often used to move to the next line or to start a new paragraph. It is also used to execute a command. Delete key. Delete key is used to erase anything typed on the right of the cursor. To use the delete key, place the cursor off to the left of the object to the erased and press delete key. स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं। Example. If you want to correct the spelling of keyboard, position the cursor after the first E and then use delete key to erase second E. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase anything typed on the left of the cursor. It is placed just above the enter key. To use the black backspace key, place the cursor to the right of the object to be erased and press backspace key. Example: if you want the correct the spelling of SEIMMI, position the cursor after E and then used backspace key. K is erase E. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type the letters into capital. This key is placed on the left side of the keyboard on pressing caps lock key. Once caps lock key, light will turn on. After this, all the letters which you will type appear in capital letters on the monitor. Example: if you want to type the word computer in capital letters, press caps lock key once and type the word. It will appear and computer on the monitor. Shift key. There are two shift keys on the keyboard and both of them have the same function. The shift key is used in combination with other keys. Example: when you नेक्स्ट पेज पे आते हैं स्टूडेंट. एग्जाम्पल्स: when you press the shift key with any alphabet key, the letter will appear in upper case. नीचे आते हैं. knowledge bytes. A keyboard is an important input device. Using a keyboard to type a lot of data is called typing. Alphabet keys are used to type letters, words or sentence, etc. Numlock key is used to activate the numeric keypad. Special key are used to do special tasks. So students, मैंने आपको ये लेसन रीड करके सुना दिया है और आप लोग इसे वापस से 2 से 3 बार इस लेसन को अच्छे से रीड करिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको इस लेसन को एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. ओके स्टूडेंट, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.